Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom for virtual tours and investor presentations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Zoom application on your computer. If you don't have Zoom installed, visit the Zoom website and download the application. Once installed, launch Zoom and sign in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new one. After signing in, click on the Schedule a Meeting button at the top right corner. In the meeting settings, enter a topic for your virtual tour or investor presentation. Set the date and time according to your schedule. Choose whether the meeting will be recurring, if applicable. Select the duration you expect your meeting to last. Turn on the video option for both host and participants to ensure visibility. Set the audio options to allow both computer audio and phone audio for flexibility. Scroll down to the Meeting ID section and select Generate Automatically for security. Decide whether you want to require a meeting password and set one if desired. Under Meeting Options, enable the Enable Waiting Room feature for better control over attendees. You can also choose to mute participants upon entry to maintain order during the presentation. Once all settings are configured, click on the Save button at the bottom. After saving, you will see a summary page of your meeting details. Copy the meeting invitation link provided for sharing. To conduct a virtual tour or presentation, choose Start this meeting from your scheduled meetings. When ready, click the Share Screen button to display your presentation or virtual environment. Select the screen or application you want to share and click Share. Engage your audience by introducing yourself and the purpose of the meeting. As you present, use the Zoom tools like chat and reactions to interact with participants. To wrap up, summarize key points and open the floor for any questions. End the meeting by clicking End Meeting for all when finished. Check your recorded meeting if you opted to record for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.